Kubor nakaslem jong nongsan Hima.
Ki MLA ka Kongres hane ka Janmien hadin ka Dorbar senrai ki lalet ya kendo I ki Nonghikai ki basong kalan mengor hamadan malki bandawaya ka hok ka jongki. Habakren hakani ka Jingeh kendo nakaliang ki MLA ka Kongres kila Kular ya ki Nonghikai SSA baken sara I ki mat jing dawa jongki bat ban keren Hapoh ki Dorbar Thaw ban yasat nakabenta ka jongki. Syuk-syuk nakaliang jongki MLA ka Kongres kila penpau baka jingwan jongki kalong ban ai men siem yaki ha ka bayadei bat ka jing yaki bat ban don rengkat lang bat ki ha ka jing yaki bapher jongki.
To thank you for inviting us to come and see you, to come and meet you, and to inspire you with this sit-in demonstration that you have performed today. So manai kublai kerpang yai President Jong ka SSA ibarambai bat kinong kitkam jog association baro bai lakot sobha yang ni bangin ya don rengkat bat pi hakan ikapor kum kinong mikmat ni baro ilewan hakan ke jaka menta hakaba pi pelong ya ka sit in demonstration ngirawan masunwai ke assembly ngiawan bet direction ni banwan ban pej bat ban sengap ya ki Jingeh ki jongpi ngilawan kambene habang Ïing hang thi ngilayo sngau kedal ya ki kentien bakren I president ya ki Jingeh kabaka SSA association kalashem ha kini ki benai ki balalek ha ka bomyo e ki tulop mendalalai benai bat nang ta ha ka Jingeh jong ke service jongki kaba ki la shem ha kini ki benai ba ki snem ki balalek bat kumjo ya ki Jingeh kaba ki kemi bakin salap ha kini ki snem ki banwan hadu hajar fong rio isokhia habang isngap ya ke Jingeh jong ki Nonghikai bat nakaliang jonga kumangala jukip laba kumangala jura ya ke sur ke jongpi Hapoh ke Dorbar Thaw man kapor mentaru kumju kat ngidang long kene ke Dorbar Thaw nginra Biang ya ki Jingeh jongpi bangin pensawa jur khamjur ban ya kai ba ikrani barmbai menta khamjur shushu Hapoh ke Dorbar Thaw namar ngi kwa ba kene ke sarkar kade ban le ai ba kene ke sarkar bat menteri badai pej ya ke education udai baun sengap ya ki jing dawa ki jongpi ngimtep ke ai gadon ke Jingeh handrai habadon kamon bantrei lese don kalat kalenti banwanra ya ke solution ingat bahakini kisngi naru lasai bat haru lasisngi ngidon kapor kabaki don ka motion ka bangilabo tangi benta jongpi ni paro kumni kumbang izaya ruan rekat hangne ngine sim benta hakan ika motion kabangila ai ka subject plight of teachers in Meghalaya ublay shibon ya pi ublay undan rekat met pi ublay unang kerku ya kayeng ka sem jong pi undap penbeng ya kayeng jong pi bat kumju undang ai ya pi baro ya kayeng ka sem jong pi ya kamet kapakot kapakya kublay shibon.
I've just heard after the House was adjourned for today from George Bilingdo and Hima Sampliang, Honorable MLAs, that you have organized this program and you have we have been invited, few of us. So accordingly we were planning to come. Then after the House was adjourned for today, we have proceeded to this place just to show our solidarity to you. We are in the opposition our job is to draw the attention of the government pertaining to different issues that are where we are confronted with. So when we reach here, your president was speaking something in English which I couldn't understand, but then gist of his speech was told by my friends Mr. George Lingdo and Hima. That is how I could understand the gist of the speech delivered by the president. So, as I have told, our job is to draw the attention about different issues that we are confronted by. So definitely, we are having ongoing session. This is autumn session. So we will find out if we can take up your issues in the assembly in this ongoing session under the provision of the rules of procedure and conduct of business in the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly. Because we cannot just stand up and speak any issue, but we have to go through certain procedures. So there may be ways and means as to how we'll take up this issue. So since my friend Mr. Hima, he has spoken in English, in Khasi, I think some few Garo friends are also there. So let me have the privilege to speak in my own mother tongue also. Ang English siya kanagatan na simang kanarakaha dalo na simang masya ang sini Meghalaya adok na assembly session Ïing aro da simamang daal ni kita assembly session ko speaker adjourn kaja man na simang niya program Ïing ni ko ang kananamat na ha aro kanaryon repeng sekarang Hima Sampliang George Bilingdo nagewamang ba reba na manigaman ang aba kusyong reba ha reba ni muksong adewan na simang ni grievances ko na simang ni neknikani ko knaya masira na hada ya ko knaya mana masira ha umude sengaya isurang ko tekap kana tubatte man gen gapau unegaman cengawa ko muksong imna reba ha aru cenga dalo 정아대 opposition wana 심asa kantin 마시야 opposition이 감대wan 등탕 안층이 송호 옹행급 오보스타랑 제랑 지 안층이 만대랑 송 송동보 만대랑 닉니까니 그 맞느냐 와한다 까빠 이슈랑코 대캅카이 소르카리님 강호 작시회 때문에 속나 야논 나까빠 닉니까니 롱이야 야논 나까빠 남기전이 롱이야 야랑코나 시망 다락게 다리다뽀 남맛뽀 엔네 아가나니안 증리 지우지와 opposition dolnide wonigaman je dongaman chungna responsibility ko chungna daitto ko chunga manenga cham ba chungna manha cham ya korae chunga ya dao session Ïing pau beben na simangni issue ko dengtangmancha submit kamane iko tekap kana darigaman dongsuja andeba dengtang anchingni rules and procedure and conduct of business 동안 anchingni assembly uno dongaman provisional 방착게 바노바 증아 이코 숙조 때문에 야고 대갑 하나 나오는데 증아 좋던 가겐 등타만차 failure of governance 응가바 이슈랑코 증아 submit 가금은 동안 등탕만차 specifically 야 나시망니 티처랑니 냉득가니 이슈코 대갑 하나겠다 등탕만차 specific 이슈 동작엔 치모바 나까빠랑어 증아 숙조 때야 이슈랑코 대갑 하나 좋던 가겐 원님 가서를 빼랑 나시망 가동하기로 원하는자 방난 you should hope against hope don't get disheartened there may be ways and means in future 야코 아가네 나시면 사칸티콘 아니기스 카톤이 남마스카니코네 아니 아가나니코 맞췄다 with these viewers I once again thank you for inviting us